Okay, here's Marty's motor. It's a Hemi engine, and it's 5.7 liter. It's all honed out now. We had a bad piston that broke in this cylinder, and there was a mark in there, but it honed out every bit of it, where the marks where there was a couple, maybe one or so over here, but it honed out. This side was all good. So it's all honed out. There's new parts for putting it back together, gaskets and things. I think the water pump is still to come. There's the old one. And it's going out there in that nice Durango. I think it's a 2005 Durango. And it's loaded. So this car was worth rebuilding the engine on. And luckily the engine was good enough that we could just get a kit and do it. We still have a questionable head we may have to replace from that cylinder up on this side where it was bad, because there's some damage in the cylinder head. We're going today to get that looked at a machine shop and see what they think they can do with it. If not, we'll just buy another head for it. But that car is worth putting all that money into. And he'll have something dependable that he can drive.